So what you're looking at here is the remains of the old Sunnyside rail platform, which is between Tenterfield and Stanthorpe up on the Granite Belt here. Built around about 1888. And the last time a train rolled down these tracks was in 1989, so around about 36 years ago. This is the New South Wales gauge train line. And as you cross the border into Queensland, the actual gauge of train line, which is the width between the tracks, it changes. And this has been a bone of contention for well over 100 years within Australia. It's very political, and it's the main reason why Australia doesn't have a high-speed national train line. Because before Federation, the states effectively governed themselves. There was a lot of political infighting about what gauge they should use. The New South Wales gauge, from what I understand, is wider and therefore more expensive, but the trains can go faster and they're safer. The Queensland side is a bit thinner. It's a lot cheaper to make, but the trains can't go as fast. So Sunnyside is about 15 k's north of Tenterfield. So this is, I believe, one of the last stops on the New South Wales side. If you look at the quality of this brickwork here, I love these flowers too. Makes it look like a pretty cool photo. 1989 was the last time a train actually came through this station. But while this is really cool and it's a nice ruin, a couple of 100 metres north of here is the Sunnyside Bridge. Now for 36 years that bridge has effectively been abandoned, and I think it's one of the most stunning old bridge ruins in southeast Queensland that we're still able to explore. I can't really walk into it and I can't walk on it because it's pretty fragile, but I'm going to get the drone up. Hopefully you can get a better idea